Hello, good day and welcome to my channel. Now the question here says derive the value of x plus y plus z in the diagram below. So we're going to find out the value of x plus y plus z. Now for us to do that, let's make a trace here. That is a third line here that will be parallel to the two lines that we already have, the two parallel lines. So this is another parallel line to these other two lines. Now, if you agree with me that this angle here is 180 minus y, because this is y and this is a straight line. Sum of angle on a straight line add up to 180. So if this is y, this other part has to be 180 minus y. So that is the value of the angle on this side. Now, if we also come to this side, the same reason, the angle here, because sum of angle on a straight line, so the angle on this side will be 180 minus x on this side. So now you agree with me that this shape here, when you have two parallel lines like this, and you have a shape in the form of Z like this, you can see if we look at this, it looks like a Z that is flipped sideways. So this angle and this angle here, they are alternate angles. So I call them the elbow end of the letter Z. So if I have this Z in a flipped form, I have this Z like this. So this elbow here, 180 minus y, will be equal to this elbow here, 180 minus y. So it means this portion here is 180 minus y. That is what the angle here is. Similarly, if we look at this Z shape again on this side, using these two parallel lines, I have this Z shape. This elbow side of the Z is equal to the elbow side of the Z. So we say alternate angles are equal. So just like the way we said alternate angles are equal here, the same way alternate angles are equal here. So the angle on this side will be equal to 180 minus x. That is, this angle is equal to this angle. So you agree that the full angle here now will now be the sum of these two. So this portion is 180 minus x, and this portion is 180. Sorry, this portion is 180 minus y, and this portion of the angle is 180 minus x. The total angle will be equal to z. So I can simply say that z is equal to, don't forget the whole angle here is the z that we're talking about. So z is equal to that portion, which is 180 minus y, which is this portion, and then added to this portion. So I'm going to say plus 180 minus x. So you agree with me that this total angle z is this portion 180 minus y that we obtained, and then added to this other part, which is 180 minus x. All together give us the value of z. So that's why I said z is equal to 180 minus y plus 180 minus x. So now let's simplify this. So I have z is equal to 180 plus 180 will give us 360. Then minus y and then minus x. So the minus y is here. The negative x is also here. So if I carry this negative x to this side of the equation, it becomes positive x. If I also carry this negative y to this part of the equation, it becomes positive y. And then don't forget, positive z is also already on this left-hand side of the equation. So I have the x plus y plus z is equal to, what is left on the right-hand side is 360. So that shows that the value of x plus y plus z is equal to 360. So anytime you have a shape like this given to you, and you have an angle here, you have another angle here, and another angle here, it shows that the three angles, y plus the z plus x, the three angles add up to 360. In a similar way, if you have a shape that you have this side, let's say this side is A, and this side now is B. This angle is B, and this angle is A, and then this angle here is C. Then you also agree with me that A plus B plus C will also be 360. So anytime you see a problem like this where you have three angles on the same side like this between parallel lines, the three angles add up to 360. So whether the three angles are on this side or on this side, they add up to 360. So if you are given any of the two angles, you should be able to find the third angle. So I hope you really enjoyed this video for this derivation so that you should be able to apply them in problems similar to this. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.